Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with just a little review on the Uniden PRO510XL. I know these have been around for quite a while. As a matter of fact, I had one, golly, I guess it's probably been about 30 years ago, 28. And the fact that they're still being made would tell you something. They're really great radios for the money, very compact. It comes with your mic clip and your knobs and your little bracket. These little mics sound really good too. It's got a noise blanker on it as well. So the advertising here that they're 7 watts of audio. So let's just see what we got right here on the bird meter. So 5-watt slug, share over 3 watts. 25-watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2 audio, 1 2 audio. So we're talking about 12 watts, and you hear the monitor radio in the background, nice and clean. There is a mod or two that you can do to these, and it'll pick them up a little bit. I'm going to pause the video and do that. That would be listed under tune and alignment on my website. However, the radio usually is in line really well. We'll check it out and see, but everything seems to look okay on this one right off the bat. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. It looks good, but we won't go through all that and bore you guys with them details. But great little radio here. If somebody wants to slap it in a side by side or going on a trip somewhere, something like that. So let me go in here and do what I got to do, and I'll be. Oh, and I'm back because I realized I forgot to show you average power swing. So let's get this 5-watt slug and 25-watt both in the camera view. 5-watt slug's an average. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. 12 13 watts a peak. And we're keying 3 watts and twitching forward to about 3 1/4 watts. So we're gonna get the average power up on this thing. No limiters will be clipped whatsoever. No strapping the finals, nothing like that. So we'll be back and show you what you're gonna get for that tune that you're gonna select when you purchase this on the website, www.truckscbsales.com. Okay, and we're back. We went there and did our magic to this joker. Show you what we got here. 5-watt slug. There's our 3 watts of carrier. If you remember forward, it was just bouncing forward to about a 3 1/4. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. So we're pegging that out now. So let's flip the peak kit off and show average power on the 25-watt scale. Remember, we was only swinging to 3 watts and 1/4 before. We look at the top scale. Hello 1. Hello 1 2 3 4 5. So now it's getting up there around 11 bird under the peaks. This does run the IRF 520 MOSFET, one of those. So it's just about unlocking the power. Alrighty, I hope y'all enjoyed the little review video. Again, this is a great radio if you just want something to throw in the truck. In the notes section, you can tell me where you want the carrier level set. I can set it basically anywhere between 1 and 4, 1 and 5, something like that. Hope you enjoyed the video from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.